Here is how to hide tags or mentions in your Instagram story. For that, open your Instagram, go to the story. Here you can click through camera or you can go for the camera roll. Let us have a pic. And here you can go for the sticker option and here you can find mention. And if you select any one of your friends and you can tap on that for more, and if you tap like this and will continuously change, I think this is better because the background over that name is very light. And if you zoom in that and scroll over down and see here, only that silver line appears and not their name, so you can hide their tags or their mentions like this. So if you can't find like this, click on your story and it will upload. After uploading, click on that story. Here you can find three lines more and you can have an option add mentions. And after posting a story you can have mention, because none of them can see, only the people you mentioned in the story can see. So click like this and give it add and automatically they can be mentioned in the story. Thank you.